In this video, I'm gonna transform myself into Itachi Uchiha. I scanned myself using Kiriengine and I did the face scan separately and brought it into Blender to do some cleanup and combine both of the scans. After the cleanup, I exported it as an FBX file and uploaded on Mixamo for animation. After rigging on Mixamo, I downloaded some animation of flips and hits, and rest of it I animated manually in Blender. For the environment, I downloaded some Japanese houses from sketchfab and scattered them in my scene. I also downloaded this electric pole from sketchfab and modified it so the character can sit on top of it. For this pose, I manually rigged the character and created a control with it. Then I added a moon in the scene and the lighting, and it's looked very empty, so I added some clouds and fog. For extra details, I added some plants I scanned long ago. Also added some debris scan in the corners and scattered some small rocks on the ground. Then I use NL editor to combine the mixamo animations together seamlessly. I did some basic color grade in Blender real time for faster. Then I animated the character doing this action on the rooftop so he can disappear from here and appear on the ground. For the explosion and the smoke effect, I used clips from production crate and keyed them out inside Blender. After I am happy with the animation, I rendered it out in Eevee and brought it into DaVinci Resolve for color grading and sound design. Most of the sound I used from YouTube audio library. And now, enjoy the final video. And don't forget to check out my Galactic Cityscape Kitbash pack, link in the descriptions, and thanks for watching.